What's up? Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and today we are going to be looking at advertisements.
I put that on everything.
Stick around.
You feel like seeing new watches and getting your wallet drained. If you want a gold Rolex, but your wife might complain.
Advertisements. We see them all the time. They annoy the shit out of us, but they can be very convincing and memorable. I mean, just to mention a few.
Where's the beef?
It's so easy to use. Geico.com. A caveman could do it.
Come on. However, when it comes to watches, certain advertisements can be very detrimental to your wallet. Now, I'm going to be going over 3 watch brands that you should probably avoid altogether, just based off their advertisements. I have unfortunately fallen trapped and victim to these advertisements before, and it really makes me feel like a real asshole.
Who is he? He's an asshole, sir.
So I'm really making this video as an informative way to maybe tell you to steer clear of these trigger words within these commercials.
Bold claims of luxury, cuts out the middleman, and promises success and women.
The first watch ad you should be definitely looking out for is Ventero. Now, you see these on Facebook, you see them on YouTube, you see them on Google+. I don't even know where else you see them, but this is a watch brand you should definitely be aware of. Now, we're going to be looking at one commercial, an example. It's a 30-second advertisement, and I'm going to be breaking down how they get you and kind of making some funny quips about this whole entire ad because I just think it is absolutely ridiculous.
We are Ventero. We make bold, uncompromising watches that are guaranteed to elevate your game.
Okay, first off, elevate your game. What the hell does that exactly mean? Because, I mean, from what I understand, this means that, my life will improve because of this watch, or my game of, my ability to pick up chicks is going to somehow improve? Because I need no help there.
Hi, I'm Date Mike. Nice to meet me. How do you like your eggs in the morning?
3 pillars guide everything we do. Bold. Be big, expressive, unapologetic. Crafted. A promise to never take shortcuts. And relentless. Never stop, never settle. It's a never-ending mission to be better than you were the day before. That's how we live our legacy. How do you live yours?
Okay, so 3 pillars. What are their 3 pillars? Bold, yes, I would agree. They have a very, very bold looking watch, and to the untrained eye, this watch could look very luxurious. I do agree 100%, yes, their watches are bold. Craftsmanship. I mean, I just gotta laugh at that. I mean, look what they show for craftsmanship. It's some guy, he's got his little monocle on, he's clearly an expert watchmaker, and he's looking at this disgusting display of a quartz watch. Now, no offense to them, but I mean, it takes really no craftsmanship to use a mass-produced movement, because in their movement, it is just a Citizen's Iota quartz. Now, I'm not saying that that is a of a movement. I'm just saying don't act like it's the cream of the crop when it's just a $7 movement on Amazon. Now, let's be honest, they probably paid $3 to $2 for this friggin' movement. Don't be acting like some guy with those little magnifying glasses looking at it like it's, you're looking at a Rolex. It's a $2 movement that they're putting into their watches. Never stop, never settle.
Never stop, never settle.
No, never give up, never surrender.
What the f*** is that about? It looks like they stopped right away. I mean, it's not an attractive or a quality watch. It looks like they just made this disgusting watch and said, screw it, let's sell it to the masses. It's literally just a fashion watch brand. Don't pretend to be something you're not. The next watch on our list is Filippo Loretti. Now, I have a Filippo Loretti, and I'm not saying by any means this is a shit watch. I actually kind of dig my Filippo Loretti. I'm just saying that their commercials are just bold bullshit claims. Now, check out this commercial from Filippo Loretti.
The world of luxury timepieces is a daunting one for first-time buyers, but finding the right timepiece is rewarding. It will turn heads, leave great first impressions, and fill you with confidence.
Okay, first off, they kind of allude to the fact that they are preying on people who have no clue what they are buying when it comes to watches, as they mention that it's incredibly hard to find luxury watches being a first-time buyer, so look at us. Don't act like you're a big shot. I'm so sorry. I do enjoy it, but you are not a luxury brand. Next, they classically and boldly claim that their watches will turn heads and leave you with a great first impression and give you the confidence you need to claim your own life. Now, let's just be honest. This watch isn't going to get you your first high-paying job. It's not going to get you out there. It's not going to do anything. It's just a watch. Now, I'm not going to lie. When they say that this watch is a beautiful watch, the Filippo Loretti I have is actually a very sexy watch. It looks very well built, but the movement inside this watch is by no means luxury. They're acting like they have the highest movement when all they have is a Miyota 6P00, a $16 movement that you can get anywhere readily available online. The last bold claim you should look out for is the words, "cut out the middleman."
Cut out the middleman and buy direct.
Now, what the hell does that have to do with your watches? Now, to the untrained eye, to the first-time user, they're going to think, wow, they really are doing something different. This is just a bold marketing stunt that every fashion brand uses. The last watch I'm going to talk about really, really pains my heart, but they did something that irritates me to no extent. Have you ever been on Facebook? Now, this might not happen to you because you're probably of average height, but as a short man on Facebook, these ads will appear to me.
Guys, pay attention. How would you like to have an extra 2 inches? If your height makes you feel overlooked at work or embarrassed because you're shorter than your date, now you can level the playing field with Max Tall.
These shoes will get you confidence and will get you chicks and girls will notice you. I think that's the lowest form of marketing any company can do, is to play off the lonely, sad man. I have been with girls who are taller than me. I don't give a crap. As long as I don't need a step stool to out, I'll be fucking fine. But the only few times that a watch has ever got me a girl, those are girls that obviously I will not bring home to my parents. I mean, if a girl comes up to you and mentions your Rolex and starts flirting with you because of your watch, that is someone that you do not want in your life. That's just a fact. You're gonna realize that that person's after one thing.
Take my money when I'm in need.
My error Hyperion. It did something in its advertisement that really irked me the wrong way. Check it out.
And like all one-of-a-kind tourbillons and wandering hours, your timepieces are bound to attract a lot of attention. But wearing an Era is not about flaunting a 6-figure timepiece.
This brand will make you successful and attractive to women. Yeah, this watch is gonna turn me from a 5 to a 10.
Don't forget to enjoy being handsome.
Oh, don't worry.
If you're foolish enough to believe in these products that say that they're gonna get you chicks, you are a bigger idiot than me. And I bought the watch. So, I mean, if you see a watch marketing video that has any of these criterias, such as they cut out the middleman, they're affordable luxury, and they will get you women, stay clear of those brands. Because if it's too good to be true, then it usually is too good to be true. Remember, my name is Bill. I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.